Hello guys and good day. Have a blessed morning to each and everyone out there. At nandito na naman tayo guys sa territory natin, which is engine room. And nasa engine control room tayo kasi katatapos lang natin ng toolbox meeting. The usual thing guys, safety and then yung task natin for today. At ayun na nga guys, nandun na sila sa kanilang mga ginagawa. At update natin na ito si third engineer is nakapokus ngayon sa generator number 3 at kasalukuyang pinapalitan yung fuel injection pump number 3 and 4. Okay guys, so lahat yan papalitan. Nauna na yung 1 and 2 na fuel injection pump at isasalpak yung ready recondition spare. Meron tayong spare na dalawa, so in-overhaul muna yon. After na ma-ready, then isalpak na lang. At then yung pinagtanggalan, i-overhaul uli. At then ganon din, So ganon ang sistema guys ng paggawa ni third engineer. At na-inspection ko naman kanina, so okay naman. So far, so good. At yung pangalawa guys, nandun, si fourth engineer sa main air compressor. Yun ang isa sa mga hawak ni fourth engineer. So sinusupervise lang natin siya kung anong ginagawa. At na-inspection ko na kanina guys, At medyo may idea na tayo kung saan ang gagaling yung trouble issue, kung saan nagkakaroon ng cooling water system nagkakaroon ng hangin. So mayroon tayong nakita kanina visually, and I hope na ma-rectified na natin yung trouble na yun. That's it for today guys, and may God bless us all. Bye bye.